This little baby did a poo on me. Tumayo siya sa akin. O, tingnan nyo. As in, literal. Lumabas.
Oh my gosh, nandyan na sa couch.
Yeah.
Sige na.
Ikaw nanggigigil ako sa'yo.
Tingnan mo.
Oh.
Tingnan mo.
Dadaming tae. Paano nangyari yun? Paano umabot ng pusod? Ha? Paano umabot sa pusod mo? Hindi kang bebe. Nanggigigil ako sa'yo.
Nagagalit si Daddy.
Mabuhay, Pilipinas! Walang inyo dyan! Kumusta ang araw nyo? Sira na kasi ang araw ko.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get into it because they would never understand.
Think about, yeah. Are you talking? Huh? Are you talking to Daddy? Huh? Nagsasalita ka na ba, bebe? Huh? Yeah, nag-i-istorya na ikaw. Yes, you are. Ang cute-cute. Nakakagigil.
Ito pa yung daddy mo, camera. Hello. It's your second daddy. It's the camera. Hello, baby. What are you talking? Hello, baby. Hi, baby Nitro. Hello, the camera. Hi. Oh, you're going to go follow the camera. Follow the camera. Go on. Here. Turn your head. Go on, you can do it. Hug. Yeah. Kiss.
Hi! Ako po si Bailey at may Phil Talk ako.
If you want to learn Tagalog or Bisaya, Phil Talk is awesome.
Just go to philtalk.net and create an account.
Sign up to Phil Talk today.
Hello.
Oh, you're smiling, baby. Yeah, you're smiling. You're laughing at mommy, Aya.
Hello.
Yeah, you're laughing at mommy. Mommy's funny, huh? Yes, she is. She's so funny.
Wala akong tulog. Hi. Who's this baby in the mirror?
You're beautiful, shine like a star. You got me falling slowly, and I'm crashing into you.
Nagpapakit na.
Ayun siya.
Nagpapakit na siya.
Hello. Hello. He said hello.
Say hello.
Hello. Oh, hey, stop it. Stop. Hello. Daddy na. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. Baby.
Baby Nitro, what are you doing? Are you just trying to suck on your hand?
Nitro. Come here. Baby. Gulaan na no sa
We are trying to do tummy time with Baby Nitro.
Baby Nitro, go.
This is recommended
Nitro.
by the pediatrician to do tummy time.
Diba sabi niya dapat may pillow, pero kaya naman niya yan.
Kaya.
Okay.
Kaya mo, baby? Come on, you can put yourself up. Push yourself up. You can do it. You can do it, baby.
Baby, go.
Go, baby. Go.
Yay.
Come on, you can do it, baby.
Gulaan na. One
Good.
time lang daw.
You gotta call him again.
Nitro.
No, Nitro, over this side. Come on.
Nitro.
can do it.
Come on. Nitro. Face me. Come on.
He just
Face
keeps sucking on his
mommy.
hand.
Face mommy.
Come on, baby. You can do it.
Face mommy.
You
Come
can
on.
do it.
Yung tanggal mo na. Ano, kaya ako naging luluto. Nitro.
Mommy is nagluluto.
Nitro.
Come on, baby. You can do it. You can do it. Come on. Oh, that's it. That's it.
Nitro.
Come on. Oh, that's it. Yay.
Yay. Come on.
Push yourself up. You can do it.
Up.
Hey, baby.
Nitro, up. Yay.
Oh, come on. Push up. Push up. Oh, it's a bit hard, isn't it? Or are you just being lazy? You're matamad. Ancha, baby. You're matamad nga, baby.
Nitro.
Sige na, Nitro. You can do it, baby. You can do it. Oh, yay! Yay! Oh, you're so pagod na, ano? Pagod.
Looking after the baby. Araw-araw dito lang sa loob ng box na to. Sa maliit na kondo namin. Hello, baby. Hello. You happy lying in your rocker? Yeah? Yes, you are, baby. Yes, you are, baby. Yes, you are. You know, baby is starting to talk, or try to talk every now and then. Kapag ngumingiti siya sa amin and we're talking to him, parang he makes sounds like parang baby talk, diba? Pero alam nyo, he's actually accidentally said a word in waray. He's accidentally said agi, which means like aray in Tagalog, or ouch, sakit. Diba, baby? You said agi, diba? Yeah, you did. Can you say agi again? Agi, baby, agi. Eh wala, tahimik ka ngayon. Basta binibideo ka, tahimik ka na. Yeah, so he has said the word agi, which is cool, but it's not considered his first word. Like, oh, was that it? Was that it? Did you say agi? Agi. Okay, now he's having a sip. Yeah, it's not considered his first word because he didn't intentionally say it. It's just him making noises, and it turns out he said agi, didn't you, baby? Yeah, you did. You said agi. Oh, now you're crying. Okay, daddy's gonna have to pick you up. Alright guys, maraming salamat sa panonood sa ating vlog for today. Mag-aalaga muna ako kay Baby Nitro, and kita-kits sa sunod na video ng Dwaine. Alam niyo guys, sa sunod na video we have some exciting news. Exciting pero medyo nakakalungkot din na balita para sa inyo. Okay, so abangan niyo po sa sunod na vlog natin. Alright guys, kita-kits and bye for now!
Everything to me if you let